Now look at that sky over there. I'll take you up there when I see. Okay. Look how black that is back there. Look at that. Look how black that is. Looks like a storm is coming. Or, excuse me, or whatever's going on. Give you a better definition. Going that close to this other end up, it's like a funnel. But when I bring the phone camera over here, you can see what is going on. Yeah, over here it's much lighter, but over here it's much darker than what it is over here with the two funnel clouds. Well, now it looks like it's coming over here. Take 2 or 3 shots. I can see what is going on. Take over the top of the building. You can see that it's on the video camera. But here is much over dark and light. Over here is over top. This is what it looks like over top. It's lighter, but when I'm down here, it looks a little thunderish. Here you can see it. Over top me, this is the rest of the thunderstorm. So yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe. Leave a comment. How black that is.